Namaste friends, I am Saurabh, your Hindi tutor, and today we will do a flashback of all the vocabulary that we have learned, because before moving forward, I want to assure that you don't forget the vocabulary that you have learned till now. You can watch this video and create your own vocabulary list or a dictionary kind of thing which you can read whenever you want. ठीक है? तो अब start करते हैं with the most basic words. So the first word was namaste, which is a formal greeting, can be used in the place of hello, bye, good morning, good night, good evening, good afternoon, etc. and is usually used with strangers, parents, elders, teachers, bosses, seniors, etc. It's not used in normal conversation between friends. The next two words are shukriya and dhanyavad. Both of them mean thank you. Shukriya is an Urdu word and dhanyavad is a Hindi word. Okay. ठीक है is okay. ठीक है. This is the word that I repeat the most during my videos. ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है means okay. ठीक है. हाँ is yes, nahi is no. If you want to say with more respect, you can say हाँ जी or नहीं जी. ठीक है. Now let's move to the next set of words. The next set of words is pronouns, basic pronouns. The first is मैं. The N is not pronounced completely, that's why I have written it inside parenthesis, inside the brackets. So the first word is मैं. मैं means I. The next word is आप, which means you and is the most formal, is used with parents, elders, bosses, seniors, etc. Okay. The next word is तुम, which is also you but a bit less formal. This is used with the friends of the same generation, while the third one is tu, which is completely informal and is used between only the closest friends or younger siblings. Okay. The next two words are ye and wo. Actually, they are yah and vah, but in normal language we pronounce them ye and wo. Okay. So they mean this, he or she, while wo means that or he or she. Okay. We already learned about ye and wo in the tutorial number 11. The next set of words is masculine nouns. All these words that you can see on your screen are male words. Naam is name. Kaam is work or job. Sheher is city. Desh is country. Seb is apple. Ped is tree. Bhai is brother. Kela is a banana. Sikka is coin, a currency. Juta is shoe. Darwaza is door. Kutta is dog, while Akash and Asman mean sky. You can see that there are some words that end with a sound, like kela, sikka, juta, darwaza, kutta. In many cases, the words that end with a are masculine words. So this is one way of identifying. However, it's not applicable in every case. Feminine nouns. Okay, all these words that you are seeing at the screen are female nouns. I'm going to pronounce them for you. Kitab, pustak. They mean book. Cycle. Bicycle here in normal language is called cycle. University is a female noun, although there is another word called Vishwavidyalaya for university, but in normal language we use university and it is used as a female word. Bike. A motorcycle in general language, in normal language, is called bike. Behin is sister. Ma is mother. Didi is used for elder sister. Gadi is a car or a bigger vehicle. Chai is tea. Chai. Billi. Billi is cat. Khidki. Khidki is window. Dharti and zameen mean earth or ground. ठीक है? These four words are interrogative words. Kya means what? Kaise means how. Kahan. Kahan means where. And kahan se means from where. You remember kya was used in the sentence Aapka naam kya hai? What is your name? Kaise was used in the sentence आप कैसे हैं? How are you? And कहाँ से was used in the sentence आप कहाँ से हैं? Where are you from? ठीक है, तो क्या, कैसे, कहाँ, कहाँ से. ठीक है. Now let's revise the names of the countries. India is called Bharat or Hindustan. Turkey is called Turkey. China is called Cheen. Russia is called Rus. Japan is pronounced Japan. Egypt is called Misr. Portugal is called Portugal. America is called America. And sometimes when people want to refer to the US, they also say America. France is pronounced France and Canada is pronounced Canada. Okay, so this was all about the countries. Now at last, the numbers from 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. ठीक है? With these numbers, we have completed all the words that we have learned till now. Is there any word left? I think yes. फिर मिलेंगे. Bye.